Are you looking for the best 3D printer for miniatures? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer for miniatures on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Longer LK5 Pro Upgraded 3D Printer. Longer LK5 Pro Upgraded 3D Printer uses the newly upgraded cooling fans, dual blower kit which can promote cooling of the extruded filament. Powerful cooling nozzles can make the model surface better and smoother. 90% of the printers are pre-assembled, and most of the parts are assembled before leaving the factory. 300x300 400mm large printing size to meet diverse printing requirements. With the reinforcement design of diagonal tie rod, a stable triangle structure is formed, which can effectively reduce the vibration and make the printing more stable. Unlike old printing hotbed, LK5 Pro uses lattice plate, which has a micropress structure, which not only makes the model easier to remove but also makes the hotbed flatter, provide better printing effect. Ultra Silent TMC 2208 driver, 256 subdivision, more fine printing, more delicate texture, ensure noiseless operation, suitable for home and office environment. Open source firmware, customers can change C code according to their own needs. The printer can save the printing record when power off, and continue printing when the power is back again. Auto stop the print and prompt user when the filaments run out or break, saving time and filament. With 4.3-inch full color touch screen, optimized UI interface, easy to operate, can view the printing process in real time, and bid farewell to the traditional manual knob screen. Number 2. ANYCUBIC KOBRA Plus 3D Printer. ANYCUBIC KOBRA Plus adopts ANYCUBIC Levic new auto leveling system with 25-point precise leveling up, making leveling and printing accessible in one touch. Filament run out detection and power off resume. Equipped with filament and power detection sensor, ANYCUBIC KOBRA Plus can pause the printing process intelligently if you encounter the situation of running out of filament or unexpected power failure. Large build volume and fine printing. The printing build volume of ANYCUBIC KOBRA Plus is 2.5 times larger than ANYCUBIC Mega S. 300x300 350mm printing size to satisfy all your 3D printing needs. Equipped with double thread Z-axis moving construction, ANYCUBIC KOBRA Plus can minimize the shaking. Insert more model details can be restored. Component upgrades to achieve creative freedom. Equipped with an all-metal geared extruder, which heats up and melts the filaments quickly, ensuring that the filaments are smooth extremely. At the same time, the 6000 RPM dual fans allows the model to cool down quickly. Excellent adhesion and easy removal. The carbon glass plate has excellent adhesion when heated, and the model can be removed easily after cooling. Allows the printer to be assembled only in 10 minutes. Easy to use and fast to get started. Equipped with 4.3-inch LCD touch screen, which brings sensitive response and brighter display. All ANYCUBIC 3D printers backed with lifetime technical support. Number 3. Sunlu 3D Printer S9 3D Printer. Sunlu's latest FDM 3D Printer S8 Pro, 310x310x400 print size. No need to print items in bulk, save time, easy to print more large pieces. Large size creates unlimited possibilities. Fast printing speed. Sunlu upgraded printer is equipped with a new silent motherboard and stable high-performance drive motor, which can effectively reduce the noise. No excessive noise during printing. S9 Plus is a pre-installed printer. Just fix the gantry and start printing. It is also easy to disassemble, convenient for users to upgrade and build their own printer. Open source. More stable. Pause when blocked, resume after blockage. High-end detection module. Real-time detection and identification of filament loading status. Instant response to pause printing within 1 second after filament exhaustion. Sunlu's new printer S9 Plus is compatible with a wide range of FDM printing filaments on the market, including PETC, ABS, TPU, wood fiber, carbon fiber, PLA filaments, etc. Filament drying is performed during the printing process to remove wet and fragile filaments and achieve the best print quality. Number 4. Sovol SV7 Plus 3D Printer. Clipper firmware allows SV7 Plus to speed up to 500 mm per second at maximum. SV7 Plus is equipped with 480 by 800 high-resolution 5-inch touchscreen, which brings you totally different experience from knob screen and normal 4.3-inch touchscreen in the market. Clipper also offers a range of function options, including the height map and input shaper, while you could DIY based on your specific needs. All metal hot end comes with a larger melt zone, which offers high flow up to 20 to 30 cubic millimeters/s that greatly reduces the possibility of clogging. An extra large fan at the rear of the extruder offers triple airflows to quickly cool prints and ensures good layering for better results. It makes the high speed and high temperature possible at the same time. No more PTFE replacements or firmware flashes needed to print with different materials easily, like ABS. Nylon equipped with 600 watts mean well power supply. SV7 Plus brings super excellent and stable heating performance. Upgraded 420 watts heated bed can be heated to 60 C in 90 seconds, which is 30 seconds faster at least than most printers in the market. All sizes. If you own a SV7 Plus, not only you own a 300 by 300 by 350 larger print volume printer, but also you get super faster heating speed and printing speed. With Sovol's self-developed direct drive extruder that comes with planetary dual gear set, SV7 Plus offers a higher drive ratio and lighter motor for precise extrusion. We also have added a large external knob to make feeding easier, so you can focus on your printing project with minimal interruptions. Number 5. Sovol SV6 3D Printer. Different from most 3D printers run by wheels in the market, SV6 has a classic i3 structure which avoids wear and tear of wheels and multiple replacements, and it is widely applied into industry. We did something new to make it more applicable for household use. Modular design allows you to assemble SV6 within 5 steps easily. Sovol self-developed all-metal direct drive extruder with planetary dual gear set, provide SV6 with higher drive ratio and a lighter motor, helps to achieve more accurate extrusion. Add large external knob for easy feeding. All-metal hot end setup makes it possible to print up to 300 C. No need to deal with PTFE replacement anymore, and even no need to flash the firmware. You can print with different materials better and more easily. Enclosure is still needed if you want to print over 260 C, with inductive sensor, detect the metal print bed through 25 points automatically and compensate the unevenness of the heated bed. The fast, smart, precise detection and compensation help you to get the bed leveled perfectly and get an fantastic first layer. The flexible pay-coated build plate with mesh surface design makes the prints can be removed easily without any tools. 220 x 220 250 mm print size, enough for daily use and household use. With TMC 2209 drivers, makes the printer works stably and quietly. UART mode is available, so that more modifications can be done easily for advanced users. Sovol 3D printers come with 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Any question on Sovol SV6 3D printer, just click Ask a Question through our storefronts page. Report an issue through the Your Orders page. We will fast respond within 24 hours and try our best to resolve your every issue.